gonna adjust the front sprocket because the track is smaller than we thought. We need some more acceleration in the exits of the corner, and hopefully it will make us faster because I couldn't catch up with the fast guys. Je moet hier niet te wijd uitkomen.
Maar dit is wel, deze bocht vind ik wel mooi. Hier zijn heel veel mensen zijn hier echt bang.
Staphorst is a different kind of track than we normally do. It's a street track, and yeah, it's very tight. There's not a lot of space to overtake someone.
I had a bad relationship with it because I raced there once and it went like shit. It's a track with a lot of curves, so it's only brake to go, stop and go, stop and go.
Pauze.
Woo! Actually, the first session was 44.4, and now we changed the sprockets. Now I got 43.8. So, and I didn't check my tire pressure, so probably some time to win there as well.
You will lose. You will win a half second, I think.
Exactly.
Yes.
Practice was decent. It was way better with the other sprocket.
Yes.
Yeah, the feeling was good. Yeah, and it's tight. It's hard to overtake.
Yes.
But let's see.
A lot of corners.
Yeah.
Left, right,
No
left,
rest.
right.
No.
Yes.
And now we go to qualifier.
We changed it. We changed the tire to a qualifier tire.
Yeah,
we have
my
only
brain
one
is
left. 40 seconds. The tire is over.
And qualifying, I got the partial under control. The corners went pretty well, so I was focusing on braking later, braking later, braking later. And at qualifying, I qualified P11 of 18 drivers, I think, 18 or 19, which was pretty fine. But I thought I could do better in Q2, but they skipped it.
Yeah. Strange situation, but we decided to skip the second qualifier and go straight to the race.
Because we have
for all
only...
of it, okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Because my tires are not the best. So I can save a bit rubber.
Philip already crashed.
Yes.
During the There's no time to rest. You have no long straights, so it's corner after corner after corner after corner, and your underarms feel really sore after a few laps. And yeah, that makes it also quite a physic challenge because you have no rest, and yeah, that makes it quite hard and tense to race.
Jij had een echt slechte start, jongen. Nou, ik was goed weg. Ik was goed weg. Ja.
Iedereen slecht aan de
voorkant. Ik kon ook binnen door.
Naast de flow en hij duwt naar de buiten. En iedereen stapt erbij.
Ja. Ik was ook en ik ben bijna gevallen over jou heen.
niet achter me houden, man. Die ging op een gegeven moment een paar rondes voorbij.
Oh. Er zat niks meer in, hier 4. Jij?
Ja, ik zat achter iemand. En het duurde veel te lang voordat ik er voorbij kon.
Ja.
Een paar keer dat ik hem bijna voorbij was, maar dat het daardoor weer langzamer ging. Uiteindelijk wel voorbij gekomen en nog iemand. En het was een groepje van 3 daarvoor, maar ze waren net te ver weg al.
Weinig risico gegaan. 2 keer per 4 perfect.
Ja.
The first race I started on 3rd position. In the first corner I lost a few places, and after a fight someone in front went out, so I could take that place back, and eventually I finished on the 3rd place. Race 2, I had a really bad start, but luckily the other guys next to me on P1 and P2 also had a really bad start, so I went to 2nd place in the first corner. After a few laps of defending, I lost the place again, and I stayed on the 3rd place for the whole race and finished on 3rd.
I noticed that I was faster than usual, like for my own feeling, especially faster than last time we were on Staphorst. So it was a pretty good race, and I finished P6, so I took 5 places, which for me is like it's my PR, so I was actually pretty happy with the first race. The second race was fine, but I was stuck behind someone for a really long time. So now I was constantly in his back wheel, so I was way too close constantly. So every time he braked earlier than I did, I also had to brake really hard, which cost me time, and I had to wait another lap to even get close. So that took up a lot of time. I finished P9, so it wasn't bad, but it could have been better. But it was a good learning process.
Best finish of the year for Joost.
So like we calculated it last night, 4 bears.
Okay guys, this was Staphorst. I hope you liked it. Next on the agenda is Emmen, it's next week. It will be our last race and we're pretty excited. And after the last race we also have a pretty big announcement to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it will help us out a lot. And see you later.